Hello, this is in Adobe Express. Hopefully, this is a quick video on how to layer images over a video. So here is my photo fading in, and another one, and then they both fade out eventually. So let's do it. I'm going to delete these so we can start over. And in Adobe Express, basically when you click on a video, it gives you this little video layer bit that you can click on and edit. So I'm going to click on the video layer and I'm going to go to add content and then media. And I'm going to upload from my computer. I'm just going to grab some Unsplash images and I want to say as a layer on a canvas. So there's one photo and then let's go get the other one. So I'm going to do the same thing, video layer, add content, media, upload. And where are you? We'll just do this guy. Okay, open. And same thing as a layer. So we're layering up our canvas. These images are really big, so I'm going to shrink them down. So you just click on them to select them, and then you can kind of adjust them however you want. I'll show you some cropping methods in a minute. And we'll just do this. Cool. So I could add as many photos as I want, given the time frame that I have. So I want this one to start a little bit in and end. We'll just do like 3 seconds. 3, cool. And then this one, I want to start before that one fades out, and then also just for like 3 seconds. Cool. So now I have ones that just like pop in, boop, without a fade, and then disappear. Cool. So to have them fade in and out, I'm going to click this one first. I am in the animate tab. So I'm going to go to in and say fade, out, fade, and then same thing for here. Click on the image, in, fade, out, fade. And now they'll kind of like fade in, hang out for a minute, and then fade out. Some troubleshooting, I did have an instance where I had some white at the end of the clip, like the photo was taking up more space than the actual clip. It might have happened when I did it, tried to layer a video that was longer than the original clip. I'm not sure. But if that happens, you just need to adjust the timeline for each, or adjust the clip length for probably the main video until you like get rid of all that white space at the end. Okay, so next thing, hopefully real quick, is you can also layer videos. You can add, there's some adjustments you can do on both videos and photos, and you can crop them into some sort of shape. So let's get rid of, I'm going to click on the layer and then click on the this extra video and delete it. So we'll just stick it over, we'll stick it on this one. Yeah, 16 seconds. Cool. So same thing. I'm going to add it to this clip. I'm going to say video, click on video layer, click on add content, same thing, media. And then I'm going to upload. And I think I'll do this one, open, also as a layer, not as a scene. And now my video is like right on top of the video that was there, which is, you know, kind of unhelpful. So we want to adjust this. I haven't figured out a way to have like a slow transition between one and the other. I'm sure there's a way to do it. It would probably be like, let's say I wanted it to go from like black and white to color. I could have this be black and white, add this layer on that is color. Let's just try that. We'll pretend that they're the same video. I guess I could, oh, whatever. We'll just do it this way. So I'm going to make this one be this video clip. Be, let's see, all, where'd it go? Edit, oh, edit video layer, right. Then we'll go to edit, and there is a black and white, is it under effects? Yeah, I'll just make that one, the original one, grayscale. And then this video will be in color. If I was able to sync them up if they're the same video, I think, you could get it looking pretty decent. This one will fade in. Fade. Where did fade go? None. Circle, flicker, fade. Oh, it's just resized. I'm wondering if there's like an adjustment for the fade time, but I haven't seen one. Oh, look, it is. I clicked on it and I can change the duration to be really slow, which is awesome. So let's just see what that looks like. Play. And then slowly, I hope. There we go. Yeah. So you can transition one to another using layering. All right. Last thing, I'm going to click on video, click on this video. You can change the shape of it. So if you go to crop, there's all kinds of options here. You can like manually adjust it. You can do a shape. So we could put it in a heart and you can even scrub through, I think. Yeah. And it will preview what that will look like. So if I click out of here, now it's going to fade in a heart shape. All right. There we go. Cool. Thank you.